What's up, guys? So this here is New Dude 167, and today what I'm going to be doing is a quick review on this brand new Mecool Android box. It's a M8S Max. Okay, so like I said though, I'm going to be doing a review. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you everything that it comes with, and then not only that, I'm going to hook it up, and then I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how it performs. Okay, but before I get started, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Help me out. Let's get this video out there on YouTube. So give it a thumbs up, comment, and then subscribe. Whenever you do comment, let me know what you think about this Mecool Android box. Have you seen it? Have you used it? If you haven't, you may be interested, you may not. But if you are, I'm going to put a link in the description. Click on it, go get one. If not, just check out the review. All right. With that being said, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you everything it has or everything it comes with. I'm going to go over the features, the specs, and then after that, like I said, I'm going to hook it up and we're going to check the actual operation of this device. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first off, let's just read the box really quick, okay? Industrial level, it has air cooling refrigeration, octa-core ARM Cortex A53 CPU. Okay, so that's a super high performance CPU, guys. Really great, pretty decent, not bad whatsoever. And remember, I forgot to mention this. This is about $55 for a pretty decent Android box. Okay, it has Google Play, and you have access to install pretty much anything and everything when it comes to all these different apps. Okay, so we're going to turn on the side, nothing there. Okay, it has 3 setups, connect box, internet, and then start streaming. Okay. All right, guys, really quick. Okay, it has Android 7.1, okay, 64-bit octa-core ARM, Cortex A53 CPU. All right, then it has RAM of 3 GB with a ROM of 32 GB as well. All right, so enough of that. I'm going to go over the specs here shortly anyway. So let's go ahead and open it up. That way we could show you, or I could show you what it looks like, what it comes with. All right, so here it is. So this here is the actual box itself. Okay, so this is the actual box, okay? It looks really great. This is a really nice fan on the top. The M8S Max. All right, really nice. As you could see, it has venting all the way around, which is really great, as well as the top, which is even better. All right, so we have our AV, our Ethernet, HDMI. Okay, then we have our power cord on the side there. Okay, then we have our USB ports, and then all the way to the right, we have our external storage. Okay, on the bottom, it has a lot more vents. Okay, it tells you what it is, stuff like that. All right, really nice. It's really sturdy. It feels good. It feels like it's going to be a really good box. Okay, so that's the box itself. Okay, you have our user manual. All right, you could check it out if you want. I usually don't, okay? So then we have our power cord, which is pretty obvious. Okay, let's open up our remote. Sorry, I'm putting it to the side. All right, so this is our remote. Pretty decent, kind of like your basic remote, pretty much. You know, looks good, not bad. All right, and then we have our HDMI cable. Okay, so you've seen everything that it came with. Okay, so guys, let's go over the specs really quick. Oh yeah, and then on the bottom it has these little rubber garments. It keeps it from sliding, you know, just being flat on the table. All right, but anyway, let's go ahead and go over a couple of the different features. Okay, so first off, its operation system is Android 7.1. Remember, it has an octa-core ARM Cortex A53 CPU. Okay, this Mecool Android box has a 3 GB SD RAM plus a 32 GB flash ROM. Okay, dual band Wi-Fi, guys, really great. And then it supports up to 100 megabytes per second Ethernet as well as Bluetooth. Okay, a couple different specs. Okay, let's spit these out here. Let's get it and let's go on to the actual part of whether or not it works good or not, or exactly what it looks like. Okay, the specs. So like I said, It has the 7.1 Android system. It's an octa-core, which is a super high performance CPU, 32 gigs of RAM. Okay, it has a RAM type of DDR3. Okay, ROM is 32 gigabytes, extended memory of a max of 32 gigs, okay, which isn't bad, pretty decent, okay. Also features 5G Wi-Fi, really great, not bad whatsoever, as well as being 64-bit. Okay, so enough of the specs, enough of the features. Let's go ahead and hook it up. Let's show you what it's all about. Let's see what it looks like. Let me hook it up and we'll check it from that point. So really quick, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I know it's a little weird because this thing kind of messes with the camera. All right, but where the fan is, it lights up really nice blue, as well as the power on the front, the power light. All right, so I'm gonna hook it up. It's already hooked up. Let me show you what it looks like when you first open it up and exactly how it runs. Okay guys, so I showed you exactly what the little box looked like, or this box, the Mecool box, the M8S Max. I showed you what it looked like when it was on. It has a really cool light where the fan is, and the fan spins really good. I could tell you right now, this will not overheat, okay? With all the vents and the fan, it's almost a guarantee it won't overheat. I mean, can't guarantee it, but it's pretty good chance it won't overheat. All right, but enough of that. Check it out. This is exactly what it looks like when you first open it up, okay? So what I did is I didn't add anything, but all I did is hooked up to the internet, okay, our Wi-Fi. All right, so we have our user manual. Okay, we have our user manual. We have an add app. Then we have our TV Center, Explore, Apps, Settings, Web. All right, so let's go into some of these, okay? So TV Center, you have to install it, okay? You have to install it. Explorer, let's check this out, okay? So we have our Explorer. We have a few different options to choose from. It's our file browser, all right? Whenever we do get all of our files hooked up and stuff like that. All right, apps, guys. This is the most important part of this whole device, okay? I mean, a lot of us, we have to have the Google Play Store, guys. We do. I mean, there's everything and anything on the Google Play Store, okay? And that's the reason why we buy our Android devices. All right, so as you can see, you have your Google Play Store right here, your Gmail, stuff like that. You have your web browser, YouTube, pretty much, oh yeah, your app installer, which is really important, okay? But for the most part, it also has the MX player for your external video player, not bad, okay? Netflix as well, okay? And then you could update the whole system. All right, so if there is an update, it should pop up automatically. If not, hit update. All right, really nice, guys. Not bad whatsoever. Your Miracast, movie player, a lot of different options. Some really good options, okay? So let's go ahead and go back. All right, settings, okay? Let's go into settings really quick just to check out everything within settings. Okay, so we have our Wi-Fi, which is pretty obvious. We need that on everything pretty much nowadays. Okay, our sound, apps, screensaver, okay, display, storage. Let's check this out, okay? So 32 gigabyte of internal storage. Remember, you have 32 gigabyte of internal storage, and if you want, you could get an SD card that will, or an external storage with up to 32 gigabytes as well, equaling 64 gigabytes total. A lot of space. Okay, let's go back. Okay, you could set up your date and time. Remember, guys, remember, you could put your keyboard on here if you have one, but what I'm trying to say is I'm still doing that giveaway, okay? So all you have to do is comment free keyboard or free giveaway, and you'll have your chance to win a really nice little keyboard for all of your different devices, okay? As long as your device has a USB port. So remember, comment free giveaway. All right, and then we have a few others options as well. You could put your account, put your Google account, that way you could get your email, everything like that. All right, so enough of that. Web browser, guys, check this out, okay? So this is the web browser. All right, you could pretty much look up anything, okay? It's Google Chrome. Not bad whatsoever, okay? We have to have a web browser on all of our different devices, okay? And the reason I say that is because you have to get file link, stuff like that, guys. If you don't have file link, you're missing out. If you're using your Android devices for the the KODI platform, man, you're missing out. I recommend apps through FileLink. By far, they're smaller, they're faster, they're easier. Pretty much everything and anything about it is a lot better when it comes to these apps within FileLink. All right, so enough of that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go into, okay, you know what? TV Center, you have to install something. Okay, your Explorer, like I already showed, I mean, it's just all your different files, stuff like that. Apps, I showed you this as well. I mean, your Play Store, your app installer, Netflix, MX Player, a lot of great apps, guys, a lot of great apps. Remember, guys, I just opened this up, okay? I didn't even set the time or anything whatsoever. Okay, so your web browser, really cool, guys, really cool. So, with that being said, though, guys, it's a really good box. I could tell you right now, I was reading the reviews, I was looking it up, all the specs, all the features, everything is there, guys. Everything is there, okay? So, if you're interested, I mean, you don't have to buy it. If you want it, get it. If not, I'm going to throw a link in the description for you could get one off of gearbest.com. I mean, like I said, they're like 55 bucks. Not bad whatsoever for a pretty decent Android box, okay? And remember, it's the 7.1 Android box. It's a octa-core. Guys, octa-core, that's crazy. I mean, it's a good box. All right, so all we have to do is install some apps, use it for a while, and that will give us our that'll give me my true honest opinion on whether or not a person should buy it or not. But right out of the box, opening it up, checking it out, all I have to say, it's probably, with all the features and all the specs, I would have to say it's one of the better boxes out. All right, it's a newer box. So guys, like I was saying, if you want it, get it. If not, don't get it, okay? I just wanted to do a review on this. All right, and like I said though, guys, there's a link in the description. Click it, get you a box. I mean, Android boxes are the way to go, okay? A lot of people get Fire Sticks, Android boxes. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. Some are better, some aren't, but for the most part, they all work. As long as you could get your free movies, your free TV shows, stuff like that, it doesn't really matter what you have, right? But this is a pretty decent budget box, 55 bucks. Like I said, if you want it, get it. If not, it's called the Mecool M8S Max. Pretty decent. Like I showed you earlier, it has a couple different USB ports. I mean, on the top, it has an actual fan that's always running, or I think it's always running. Okay, that's one thing I'll have to look at. It has a lot of vents. It shouldn't overheat. Okay, not bad at all, guys. All right, but anyway, with that being said, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Help me out by getting this video out there throughout YouTube by giving it a thumbs up, okay? Give it a thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. Comment. Let me know what you think about this Android box, okay? The specs, the features, stuff like that. Let me know your honest opinion. If you have one, tell me the goods, the bads, the pros, the cons, whatever you want to call it. All right, and then finally, guys, subscribe, okay? When you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That way, anytime I upload a video, it's going to go straight to your notifications, all right? And then, like usual, guys, if you're running into any problems whatsoever, whether you're installing apps, using a filing store, using any of your devices, I mean, pretty much everything and anything, if you run into a problem, just comment in that comment section, guys, and I will definitely get back to you. And I'm going to be doing that giveaway, though, guys. I'm going to be announcing it tomorrow, so comment free giveaway for that really nice keyboard if you want your chance to win. All right, and then also, I'm going to be doing another review on another box, but as far as this one, let me know what you think about it, okay? Specs, features, just anything and everything. Let me know what you think about it. And if you do have one, though, guys, if you do have this device, let us know the goods and the bads, okay? I mean, we want to get ourselves a good budget Android box, and you know what? The best way is by looking at reviews, comments, stuff like that. So if you have one, tell me the goods, tell me the bads, okay? And not just tell me, but tell everybody else as well. All right, with that being said, I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all the support, guys. And remember, if you want this box, there's a link in the description. click it, check it out, get yourself a pretty decent box for 55 bucks. All right, so we'll see you on the next video.